Okay, this is the question from Form 9. They gave you that picture and they're looking for the length of BD. They want to know how long is BD, this whole thing here. Okay, so BD is a side in this big triangle, okay? But this big triangle doesn't have a 90-degree angle. These ratios only work in right angle triangles. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to work in this triangle here, okay, and find the length of CD, and then come into this triangle here and find the length of BC, and then add the two together and you've got your answer. And it's quite easy to do that because in both triangles we have an angle and a side. In both, an angle and a side. So it's easy to find other things in both those triangles. Okay, we're going to start in this triangle here. We have the 65-degree angle and we have the opposite, which is 25. I don't care about the hypotenuse. I'm not interested in that. If you go and find that, you're wasting your time. I'm interested in this length here. Okay, and relative to the 65, this is the adjacent. Agreed. So we have opposite, we have adjacent. Which ratio deals with opposite and adjacent? It's tan. So tan of 65 will be your opposite over your BC. So then you just cross multiply, the BC goes up there and the tan 65 comes down, so effectively those two just swap positions. Put that directly on your calculator and you get 11.66 units. And then in this triangle here it was exactly the same thing, because again I had the opposite, the 25, and again I'm looking for the adjacent. So it was tan again. Tan of 20 is 25 over CD. Do your cross multiplying again and you end up with CD being 68.69, and then when you add those two together you get BD, which was this. Initially I just added those two, so I got the decimals wrong, but if you had kept all these things here, all these decimal places and all these decimal places, and then added it together, you would have ended up with 80.34. But it doesn't matter. 80.34, 80.35, you know what you're doing. So good stuff.